Today, join Roberta and Greg as they give you a tour of the Skyview Hotel, a unique 5-star, 14-room, well-appointed and thoughtfully designed hotel in Torrey, Utah, which is just outside of historic and majestic Capitol Reef National Park. Also available, luxurious glamping units with private bathrooms. Take the full tour of the views, the wildlife, and the accommodations right now on We are at the Skyview Hotel in Torrey, Utah, and you can see these ropes here hanging from both sides, and the ones out front are a little bit faded because you see the color of these inside ones. Well, this is what the owner's idea was, represents a slot canyon, since there's lots of them in Utah, and we just went through one in Antelope Canyon in Page, Arizona. So that's what it represents. So this is our room. We got this room because of the Best Western was sold out. And so I hurriedly went into Google search and came up with this Skyview Hotel. And they only had like 1 or 2 rooms left. And what a pleasant surprise. So as you can see, the decor, nice wood floors. Oh, has a carpet on both sides there, so when you get out of bed, you don't get your feeties all cold and so forth. That Bert's into that. And nice little mural on the wall here. I like the lamps. Look like mushrooms or something. And look at that. That's unique. So king-size bed. And look at that, you got the bench there to put your luggage on. Both luggages. Bert's always trying to find the luggage rack. And you hang up your coats there. Probably don't need to do that. Nice little desk for if you need some work to be done. Even the keys came in a nice little packet there. Jade plant. Oh, how nice. Nice TV, microwave. Now we have a French press. I'm not sure where that is. Oh yeah, do that please.
One, they give us nice snacks.
Well, let's check that out. Ooh, which one's mine?
That's
All
mine.
of it.
That's mine. Ooh, and couple.
Oh boy,
These are mine too.
they're all good, aren't
You can
they?
have this.
Yeah. Now that's the French press coffee, provided by a local coffee maker, Shook, I guess. And then you get some
Some yummy waters.
waters that are right in the. Isn't that cool? How nice is that? Diet Coke, regular Coke, and the LaCroix soft drinks.
And in the morning with that lovely local.
Oh yeah.
We have a French press. That's nice of them to,
All right. Yeah.
So
Isn't that nice?
You can do this type of thing here.
Yeah. The Keurig, which we've
It's a
been.
nice ice bucket.
Yeah.
Nice glasses. This is going to be pretty yummy.
And you can get a breakfast box from a local, I guess, the place in Torrey to eat, Hunting something or other. And they're $15 each. We have to have that known by 8 o'clock tonight if we want to do that. And yeah, nice decor there too. Oh, like another nice little plant. Oh, look at that chair. Looks nice and comfy. And you also have a couch. And Carol Merrill. And,
Yeah,
so-
just died, so
yeah.
he's not going to come in. I just watched him play.
and you can sit here enjoying the sun's actually coming out. We came over, well, you're going to see that. We came over the pass there and Grand Staircase, Escalante National Monument there, and started coming into a storm in the distance.
So you wait so that it won't blow away in case the storm.
So we got a room with a hot tub.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty nice.
Yeah, we hadn't, there was only 2 rooms left, and this one had the hot tub, and I'm not sure what the other room had.
I understand that there's cattle that come in here.
Yeah, if you look at the view out here, you can see a little bit of a a range here, but yeah, cattle can walk by your window, and you got the view of the mountains out here. That's a homestead there, but look at that view. Wow. And very private out here. So you have solid walls in between your neighbors here. Children under age 5 are not to use the spa. And some more greenery.
We should have this openness to the doors.
Yeah. I like that too. How it hangs over.
Make it like a desert place.
Yeah. And then the bathroom's pretty nice too. Let's check that out, shall we? Like the sink. Hi there. And nice shower. Place to hang your towels. And gone this route here rather than the messy soap. Very nice. Again, going to the showers rather than a tub, which I like. Tubs are tough to get in and out. Probably easier to clean a shower. So there you have it. The Skyview Hotel in Torrey, Utah. I recommend it already. Oh, and well, there's more. Yes, there is more.
When you arrive at the Skyview Hotel, you check in at the lobby, which is small but welcoming. On display was the breakfast that you can order from Hunt and Gather for $15 per person. We were greeted by Kent, who was so nice and genuine and showed us our room and how to operate the hot tub, the French press, and a lot more. Well, let's go check out the grounds, and hey, there's the ice machine. Again, you can see the slot canyon-colored cords hanging from the breezeway, and the colorful plants that greet you at the Skyview Hotel, which is located at 876 Main Street in Torrey, Utah. Our room with the outdoor hot tub was $245 plus tax.
You also have glamping here at the Skyview Hotel. And the couple that's checking in right now is going to do a little bit of glamping here. So you got the glamorous tents. I guess that's what that stands for, right? Sort of yurts. I'm sure they have TV in there too. Look at that. So several units here. Looks like 6 of them available. And this whole place is just really inviting, isn't it? The way they have kept it up. I like the outside here. And up above, they have kind of the sky view area to where if it's a nice clear evening, you can go on top there, and it's a 24-hour deal. So if you want to just come up here and be quiet during the evening hours or late at night, enjoy your favorite beverage up here. Nice. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. So you got the AstroTurf. How cool is this? Look at that with those nice plants, lounging areas. Look at there. So you have family out here. Like you say, enjoy a glass of wine or Pepsi product or something. Our preference is Pepsi versus Coca-Cola. But either way, look at there. Then you can just lounge here. And hopefully there'll be clear sky to enjoy the stars. All right.
I picked out a house over here.
You did?
Yeah. I thought we'd put a down payment on that big one.
Nice.
I know.
And there's our wildlife outside of our hotel room at the Skyview. Oh, cows. that's still cool. Look at that backdrop. Little bit of sunlight left, as you can see on the top of that. Let's call it a mesa, shall we? And then come out. This is from our patio in the Skyview Hotel in Torrey, Utah. And this is fun. Oh, hi there, Missy. Hi, Bessie. Oh boy. What a perfect place to be right now. Here in Torrey, Utah, at the Skyview Hotel. It's raining. Oh well.
As the evening ends, Bert and I have visions of tomorrow morning of French press coffee and a delicious deluxe continental breakfast from Hunt and Gather dancing in our heads. Good night. Goodbye, Starview Hotel, and hello to amazing and historic Capitol Reef National Park and stunning Natural Bridges National Monument. Join Bert and I for our last day in magical Utah on the next Out and About with G&B Unedited. See you then.